Ready to build a castle gate from scratch? Imagine creating a piece of medieval architecture right at your crafting table using just toothpicks. Let's dive in. This project is perfect for anyone who loves intricate details and the charm of old castles. Gather up your toothpicks, glue, and a dash of imagination, because today we're crafting a stunning miniature castle gate. This isn't just any gate, it's a gateway to a world of creativity and fun. First, grab at least 500 toothpicks, white glue, small scissors, tweezers, and some thin cardboard or foam board for support. These materials will be the foundation of our project. Pro tip, soak your toothpicks in tea or coffee for a weathered medieval look. This simple step adds an authentic touch to your castle gate, making it look like it has stood the test of time. Next, sketch the dimensions of your gate. A good size is 6 inches tall and 5 inches wide. This will give you a manageable size to work with while still allowing for plenty of detail. Cut a base piece from cardboard and mark where the door and columns will go. This base will provide the structure and stability needed for your gate. Lay your first row of toothpicks along the bottom edge, glue them down, and stack them up in a stone-like pattern until you reach the desired height. This method mimics the look of stone masonry, giving your gate a realistic appearance. Now for the wooden doors. Align toothpicks vertically to form 2 panels, glue them together, and add horizontal beams for support. These beams will not only add strength, but also enhance the visual appeal of your gate. Score them with a knife for realistic wood grain, then attach the doors to the gate. This step adds texture and depth, making your miniature gate look even more authentic. For that medieval flair, let's add a working drawbridge. Create a small bridge base, glue toothpicks side by side, and attach chains to the top. This feature will make your gate not only look medieval, but also function like one. Secure the chains to the gate and voila, a functional drawbridge. This adds an interactive element to your project, making it even more impressive. Finish up by etching stone patterns into the toothpicks, painting with black and brown acrylics, and adding tiny details like flags or torches. These final touches will bring your castle gate to life, making it a true masterpiece. Let everything dry, and you've got a magnificent miniature castle gate. This project is not only fun, but also a great way to develop your crafting skills. Which part of the build was your favorite? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more DIY fun. Your feedback helps us create even better content for you. Happy crafting and keep building amazing things. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a beginner, this project is sure to bring joy and a sense of accomplishment. So gather your materials, set up your crafting space, and let's get started on this exciting journey of creating a classic castle gate with toothpicks. It's a project that promises hours of fun and a beautiful end result. And don't forget, every great castle has a story. What's the story behind your castle gate? Share it with us in the comments. We can't wait to see your creations and hear your stories. Until next time, keep crafting and let your creativity shine. There's a whole world of miniature wonders waiting to be built, and it all starts with a single toothpick. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting and keep building amazing things.